No matter the language, there are some words and phrases that you'll always end up using more often. In this video, I'll teach you 30 easy English words that every language learner needs to know. I'll also reveal the answer to the following question. Approximately how many words are added to the English dictionary each year? Is it A, 7,000 words, B, 300 words, or C, 4,000 words? Stick around to find out the answer at the end of this video. And if you like this video and want to see more, click subscribe and press the notification button so you never miss more fun FluentU videos. And now, let's begin. We'll get started with some basic nouns. Noun words are people, places, or things. Here are the ones you should know. Number 1, house. A house is a building or the place in which you live. There can be many types of houses, such as an apartment, a bungalow, a mansion, a hut, a shack, and so on. A house is also called a residence.
Come around my house during the holidays, pal.
Number 2, job. A job is what you do in order to earn money. In most jobs, you often have to work in an office. Based on how much work you do, you get paid a certain amount.
Well, I think I could do a good job as your assistant.
Number 3, business. A business is an organization or a system where you buy or sell things in order to make money. If you run a business or work in one, then that's your job.
The factory was back in business.
Number 4, food. Food is what you eat to stay healthy and keep on living. If we don't eat every day, we'll get sick.
Elmo, a lot of people like pizza.
Yeah.
So pizza is a popular food.
Number 5, restaurant. A restaurant is a place where you often go to eat food. Someone else cooks it for you and you pay for it.
In this restaurant, the cuisine is not an old, tired marriage. It is a passionate affair.
Number 6, telephone. A telephone is an object that you use to call someone when they're too far away to speak to them in person.
The telephone may be an antiquated device right now, but in the workplace it is still used frequently.
Number 7, address. Your address tells someone exactly where you live. If someone requires proof of your existence, or they want to send you something by mail, they'll ask for your address.
Put your phone number and address down there.
Number 8, money. Money refers to the thin strips of paper or the metal coins that you use to pay for things. The more money you have, the richer you are.
Sometimes I wonder if you let money get the best of you, my love.
Number 9, friend. A friend is someone who you like, spend time with, and can ask for help. A friend is not connected to your family.
Everybody should have a friend like me.
Number 10, love. Love is what you feel when you care about someone or like something a lot.
I'm deeply flattered, son, but my first and only love is the sea.
By the way, if you like learning cool English vocabulary, like these easy English words, you'll love FluentU. With FluentU, you'll learn English vocab from a wide range of videos, like music videos, movie trailers, TV shows, and commercials. FluentU will help you have more fun and learn faster while learning English with videos. It'll save you time with interactive captions. You'll be able to tap on any word to look it up. For example, if you were watching a video and heard the English word love, which we talked about earlier, you could click on it to find out its definition and part of speech, and see it used in example sentences and other videos. Each example sentence would also contain audio, so you could further listen to its pronunciation. Then you could easily add the English word love to a customized vocabulary list or flashcard set. With FluentU's quizzes, you can break down and master vocabulary words that seem out of reach to you right now. And there's so much more. Click on the link in the description to sign up for a free trial and access FluentU's massive English video library. Now, let's get back to our list of easy English words. We're moving on to verbs. Verbs are action words. They show us the process of doing something. Number 11, talk. You talk whenever you speak to someone or say anything out loud. In fact, I'm talking to you right now.
Your ex-wife's in your office. He says he needs to talk to you.
Number 12, do. We use this word whenever we refer to an action that we're carrying out or accomplishing.
I suppose the polite thing to do would be to offer you a cup of tea.
Number 13, go. We use this word whenever we move or travel from one place to another.
Should we go to the moon or should we go to Mars? We should go to both.
Number 14, make. This verb is used when we refer to the act of creating something.
Do you think it would be okay to let me loose in the kitchen and to have a go and make afternoon tea?
Number 15, walk. When we move from one place to another using our feet, we walk.
Just walk naturally for 1 second, please.
Like this?
Number 16, eat. During every meal, you take food, put it into your mouth, chew it, and swallow it. This action is called eating.
Now, eat it.
Number 17, drink. When it's solid food, we eat. When it's a liquid that we swallow, we drink. We drink water every day, for example.
I like to say a prayer and drink to world peace.
Number 18, work. Work is what you do at your job to keep earning money. It's an activity that uses your mental and physical effort.
I'd say in a given week, I probably only do about 15 minutes of real, actual work.
Number 19, sleep. Sleep refers to the time when you're lying down and resting. Your mind isn't alert or aware of its surroundings when you're sleeping.
I didn't sleep well last night.
Number 20, feel. This is a verb that we use to describe an emotion, like love or anger, or a sensation, like heat or touch. It's how we manage to relate to the environment and to ourselves.
Well, that's a funny thing, actually. I really don't feel anything.
By the way, while this list covers 30 easy English words, there are many more you can learn. If you want to see even more words, sign up for a free vocabulary PDF by clicking on the link in the description. This PDF contains all of the words you'll hear in this video, plus new easy English words, complete with plenty of example sentences and usage explanations. The last type of words we're going to learn about are called adjectives. Adjectives are words that we use to describe nouns. They help paint a picture of something. Here are some of the most common adjectives. Number 21, happy. When you're feeling pleased, glad, or delighted about something, the emotion that you're feeling is called happiness. When you're happy, you're full of joy.
Freddie was so happy for me when I got this job at the bank.
Number 22, sad. The exact opposite of happiness is when you feel sad, like when something bad or terrible has happened and you're filled with sorrow and pain.
Guys, I'm sad.
Number 23, angry. When you have the strong feeling to hurt or shout at someone for the way they've behaved, chances are that you're angry at them.
It makes me very, very angry!
Number 24, busy. When your mind is active and focused on one thing, you're busy with that activity and cannot pay attention to anything else. This word is often used in the workplace.
He's too busy to service you until after work.
Number 25, bored. When you feel that you have nothing to do and that nothing around you is interesting, you're feeling bored.
Teaching is hard and boring, so what you're telling me is to be bored, and then bored, and finally bored again, but this time for the rest of my life.
Number 26, annoyed. When you're a little angry at someone, chances are that you're annoyed with them. You think that they're a bother to you, and you feel somewhat disturbed by them.
But you can see, though, how the family's been annoyed with her at times.
Number 27, pleased. When you feel happy about something, or you're glad because of the way someone has behaved, you're pleased. You're satisfied and you feel content.
I am pleased to report that the pilot was not injured.
Number 28, excited. Excitement is that feeling you get when you know something good is going to happen and you can't wait for it. When you're looking forward to something, you often feel excited about it.
You can't imagine how excited I am to finally meet you.
Number 29, lonely. When you're alone and feel sad about being alone, or when you have no one to talk to, the emotion that you're feeling is loneliness. Remember, you don't need to always be physically alone to feel lonely.
Everyone is fundamentally lonely, so here's daily advice.
Number 30, tired. You know that feeling when you've had a really long day at work and you just can't wait to go home and rest? Or you feel so exhausted that you can barely move your body and you just want to close your eyes and fall asleep. That's called feeling tired.
Hey, is it okay if we cancel dinner tonight? I'm so tired.
And that completes our list of 30 easy English words. Before we announce the answer to our trivia question, remember that if you want to learn more English vocabulary with videos, simply click on the link in the description for a free FluentU trial, so you can break down cool videos and see English words and phrases used in real-world contexts. You can learn useful English vocabulary and then test your knowledge with quizzes, flashcards, and other cool features. Sign up for a free trial using the link in the description. And if you like this video and want to keep learning English words with videos, click subscribe and press the notification button so you never miss more FluentU videos. And now it's time to reveal the answer to our trivia question. Approximately how many words are added to the English dictionary each year? The possible answers were A, 7,000 words, B, 300 words, or C, 4,000 words. The correct answer is C, 4,000 words. Did you guess correctly? According to the editors of the 3rd edition of the Oxford English Dictionary, an estimated 4,000 new English words are added to the dictionary each year. That's a lot of words. At least you're off to a good start with the 30 easy English words from this list. Keep practicing your English vocabulary, and we'll see you next time.